So what can you tell me with the rise with the interest rates and how it continues to hike? What can you say about that, and how can options trading be a part of the overall strategy?
If you're putting your money into fixed deposit, is it a good thing? Fantastic. The fixed deposit rate is extremely high. But if you know how to invest, it's even better. As interest rates goes up, it is like gravity towards the stock market. Stock market will get pulled down. But if you're investing to great company, this is one of the best times for us to accumulate. Over time, you are going to generate even higher returns by investing in the right asset. Today, our key topic is on this thing called options. Why? Because options give you more options. When does the market bottom actually happen? We do not know when exactly market is going to be the bottom, but I think this is one of the best time for us to be ready. We are going to share with you today this thing called the MOS system to profit and also to protect your wealth. A lot of us, we say, hey, we wait for the market to recover, recession over, then I start entering into the market. Usually when that happens, you realize that the market has already gone to the moon. Get ready all your bullets and really start to invest. You need to be prepared. Don't last minute, then try to find some company to buy, and in the end you buy the wrong company. P stands for put option. So if you do a call option, this is going to be C. 85 is actually the strike price. Right now you can see that this is the amount of money that I have to pay. Then the quantity is 1. So if I'm buying a put, then I have to click on buy. We have to find ways to actually grow our portfolio in this high inflationary environment.